2018 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, trip computer, fog lights, compass, CD player, security system, brake assist, overhead console, power moonroof, leather upholstery. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.